employees at Enersys. I had worked here for about 2 years previous to this, and I can tell you what, these three right here are the real deal. So, one thing I'm gonna ask, Charles, how long have you worked here?
I've worked here for 8 years now.
What is one thing that you would say that you love about working at Enersys?
The people are a great boss.
Here we have Winnie, and she's gonna tell us a little bit about what she enjoys.
One of the things I love about working at Enersys is the teamwork. My shift, my crew, real team spirit.
Okay, so the one thing that I love working out here the most is the fact that we have good people that work here. Everybody's like one big happy family.
How many employees does Enersys actually have?
We actually in Hayes, we have about 240 employees. So we're proud to be one of the bigger and better employers in Hayes.
One of the hallways we saw, you have different plaques with all of the different employees that have been here for 5 to 10 years, for 11 to 15. On your 25 to 30, there was over 30 employees, which is kind of obscene.
Yeah, we do have some longevity here, and those people have grown with the company. They help us kind of train and bring the new people up to speed.
Another question I have for you. Enersys employs a ton of people. What experience or background or education do I need to work here at Enersys?
We've got incredible pay, we have good benefits. It's a very, very stable company to work for. It's a job that you can do with no experience and no educational requirements. So you could be a high schooler or a college kid that just doesn't know quite what direction to go. It'd be a great place to start. Man or woman, you could be a mom that's just got the kids into school and you want to contribute to the family income. And so here's a job for you.
What do you do, and where do you see Enersys in the future?
Well, the Enersys products that we make are large flooded lead acid battery. They're much larger than what you might think as far as like a car battery or something. And where they're used mostly is in backup power systems for large electrical systems like a telecom system, a data center, or maybe a switchgear for like a power grid.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about your journey as far as where you started, how you got to where you are now, and some of the things that you thoroughly enjoy about working at Enersys?
Whenever I started working out on the floor. After a couple of years, I became a department lead. And then from there, in March of 2018, I was granted the EOS coordinator job. EOS is the Enersys operating system. And what we do is we focus on lean manufacturing, what we could do to help the people out on the floor and things like that. It's really nice. I've made a lot of friends, and you as well.
That's great.
Nice.
That's great. Awesome.